This amazing platform will change your life. And I'm not kidding when I say it's one of the most amazing internet money-making methods I've ever seen. I mean, you'll be able to make money simply by speaking. It's amazing how much easier it was to make money online in the past, such as simply listening to music or clicking on advertisements for products and services. However, in my opinion, this platform will be one of the most user-friendly, not to mention that if you continue to earn online money, you may be able to live a less stressful life. That is, after all, the goal, right? To work less and earn more, and therefore, today's strategy will focus on your voice. And please remain with me until the end of the video to learn how to set this up properly. By the way, don't skip on this video because you might be sorry that you didn't know about this strategy, because I guaranteed that if you work on it regularly, it will pay you consistently. Before we get started, welcome to my YouTube channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. We teach you here tips and tricks to make money today. Now, let's get back to the video. So today, this is the platform that I'll be talking about, and it's a legitimate platform. Because if you look at this right here, you'll see all the success stories praising how this platform works and how they can take care of their clients. You can just pick one of these stories to see how Voicescom has been assisting these service providers. And yes, this is the platform that I'm talking about, Voicescom. So if you go to their homepage right now, you'll notice that they're partnered with a number of prestigious companies like Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Hulu, and the Los Angeles Times, among many others. This is just another way of proving that this platform is reliable and truly a big-time company. Also, this platform basically provides a lot of jobs for seeking service providers. These projects range from audio production to voiceover music translation, and that's just to name a few. This website is really amazing, thank God for technology. But for the sake of this video, we'll be showing you the category in that we can really maximize our earning potential in a little bit. As I mentioned earlier, today's strategy will focus on our voices. So if you apply for a project and are accepted, you will be supplied with all of the materials you need to do your tasks efficiently. You'll be given scripts, books, articles, or any other content in general to read and be paid for by the minute. To further inspect the page, click on All Services right here. As you can see, this website offers a variety of services under these different categories. There are more subcategories of what you can do on this platform. If you want to learn more about them, simply browse the website and study how Voicescom works. However, we won't be trying out everything. Instead, we'll concentrate on voiceovers. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Another issue that has occurred to me is that what if you don't have a professional sounding microphone? The answer is simple. All you need is a pair of headphones with a microphone, and that should be enough. By the way, you won't even need to show your face for this job. You won't need any social media followings or investments. All you'll need is yourself and your voice for ebook videos and the like. They just want people like you to read out some words and record. You won't even need to write the scripts because the client will provide everything. All you have to do now is read and record the magic on our end read and record. Now make sure to stay with me on this one, because we'll be covering how to sign up for this platform right here. Be sure to stay focused this time, because we'll also cover how to get verified by this website and how to find the best projects for you to maximize your earnings. To join up, go return to the home page and look for a sign up on the top right side of your screen. When you click on it, a tiny page prompt will appear in front of your screen asking for your email. You will also have the option to link your Facebook and Google accounts. On this platform, registration is much easier for you. It will only take a few seconds. But if you choose either of the two, simply enter your email address and click Continue. After clicking Continue, provide them with your full name, spelling it correctly, and a password before ticking the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure you choose to work as a freelancer and then sign up. You'll then be given the chance to choose the job category you want to work in. And I'll stop you right now because we'll be disclosing the possibilities that will offer us the most return on our investment. So the first option is these categories that you should prioritize is audiobooks, which will pay you a lot of money. The second option is explainer videos, which will provide you with jobs or tasks where you advertise the product that they're selling or displaying. And the third option is video games, which will provide you with work voicing video game characters. These are the three areas where we should concentrate our efforts while on this platform. Of course, to make more money online in the future. To see what's inside these buttons, let's take a look at them. Let's start with audiobooks. When you click on audiobooks, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll see all the people who are offering their services. To see the jobs that you can actually apply for, click here. Then you'll see all of the jobs that are currently available. The only advice I can give you is to find a job where you'll be working on their file for at least 4 to 5 minutes so that the pay will be a little higher than expected. So have a look at these occupations and see which one you believe you'll be able to make money on. You can also download their app on your mobile device. In my opinion, it will be much easier for you to work on such voiceover projects because your phone already has a built-in microphone. Overall, this project is suitable for everyone and should be a priority for you to try. It has a high return on investment with little to no work required. So why wait, and that's it. If you love a similar concept like this, take a look at my other videos, and of course, if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.